25 years ago, I used a product similar to this. It wasn't this exact product. I used a product on this area right here. It was solid rust at the time. You can see it now. It looks black, just like steel. It's looked this good for 25 years. I also used it on another spot over here. You can see once again, how it was rusted out pretty bad. Really need to replace this whole thing, but I threw Rust Restorer on it. There's no, after 25 years, there is no continuing rust in that area where I use the Rust Restorer. So this stuff works. I don't know what it does. I don't know what kind of chemical it is. You know, as far as I know, it could be alien blood or something. You know, who knows? But I know the stuff works. So we're working on the interior here now. I've already cleaned this out pretty good, as I mentioned. I knocked off most of the big rust that needed to be. And we're going to coat this stuff that's left over. You always got to use a separate container to pour it into. You never want to go right out of the container, because what's going to happen, you touch this to the rust, then you put this back in this container, and you just contaminated everything that's still in the container. So you use something else, so you've only contaminated that small amount, and the rest of the stuff that's in here is still in great shape. You can use it again, lasts a very long time. So we're just going to go through, I don't know how much you can see, and I actually put one coat on already. Some of the rust turned black already, just like the spot I showed you, but I'm just going to give it another coat just to make sure we take care of anything, any area. We preserve it for, you know, who knows how long. I can see the areas that were really bad, that were rust colored, okay? There were actual rust, not just surface rust, but they were actual rust into the metal, and those spots have turned the rust black, and basically, I mean, I want to say it'll last forever. I don't think it'll last forever, but as you saw on the spots that I showed you, I put that on there 25 years ago. So this stuff works. Like I said, I'm just going back over a few areas where the rust was extra thick. So we make sure we preserve it before we put down the undercoating and the rust proofing, and then put down, I guess it's called a heat shield, and then the carpeting. So I'm going to move the camera here so you can see the other side. I'm going to go over there and open the door. You can see, I'll point it out when I get there. You can see these sections here. This was rust. Now it's turned black. Once it turns black, it's treated, and it's going to be good for a very long time. Now, the light wasn't very good when I first did this the other day, and I did it off camera. Actually, I did it on camera, but I lost the footage, unfortunately. So we're just going to coat sections. I'm going to go ahead and go over these ones that we did already. Can't hurt to hit them again. You see how this right here is turned black? You can even see there's a hole there. I'm going to have to put some seam sealer on that. But you can see how all the rusted area has turned black. It's not rust colored anymore because this product changed the chemical makeup of the rust. Now, I just want to say I'm not endorsed by these guys. I'm not endorsed by anybody but myself. And not getting any money from anybody, anything like that. If anybody wants to volunteer to give me free product, I'd be happy to take it if they see this video. But this stuff absolutely works. It works great. And all it takes is to brush it on. A few spots up here. And we've seen already, it lasts 25 years, and who knows how much longer it's going to last. Places where there's good metal, it doesn't really do anything either. It just doesn't change it, doesn't do anything. It just affects the rusted area. I think that's about it. Like I said, I hit it before. I'll go ahead and go over this again. Can't hurt. Give it a little extra coating since I got it in the cup here anyway. I can't put this back into the jar because once again I would contaminate the stuff that's in there and it wouldn't work anymore. So anyway, I think I'm going to make this a short video. Just wanted to show you guys this product and show you how good it can work. And in the next one, I think we'll start painting the undercoating. I don't know if you call it undercoating. I'm using undercoating. We'll start using that on here, and then we'll lay down the heat matting. I'm not sure what it's called. It's kind of like an insulation against heat and sound. We'll put that down, and then over that, we'll put the new carpet. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you drop me a like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time.